Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you through how to watch Formula One on your Samsung TV in a simple and convenient way. First, check if your Samsung Smart TV supports the F1 TV app. If available, go to the App Store on your TV, search for F1 TV, and install it. Then sign in with your account and start streaming live races. If the app is not available, you can use screen mirroring. Open F1 TV on your smartphone and cast or mirror your screen to the TV using SmartView or AirPlay. Another option is using a streaming device like Chromecast, Fire Stick, or Apple TV connected to your Samsung TV. Install F1 TV on that device and watch races easily. With a stable internet connection, you can enjoy live Formula One races right on your big screen. Subscribe the channel for more videos.